Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and simplest method to apply INVESIL coating. I normally start with placing this decal or INVESIL logo on one of the corners or the places where you want to apply this, so that you can compare with coated and uncoated surface and people know that the surface has been coated with a protected INVESIL coating. So just apply this logo in one of the corners. These are in two different sizes. This is 2 inch by 2 inch, and then we have another which is 1 inch by 1 inch, just smaller for smaller area. So this surface has been pre-cleaned. It was initially cleaned with Dawn Platinum soap, dishwasher soap, and then the second stage was to clean it with the acetone so that there is no residue left behind on the surface. So once this is cleaned, it can be applied, the INVESIL coating can be applied by wide variety of surfaces, substrates, or wide variety of methods, using the predetermined aerosol cans, or if you have a specific air spray gun, or even with the wipes that we have. So in this method I'm going to show you how to apply INVESIL using electrostatic sprayer. I have purchased a very low cost, inexpensive sprayer, but this coating, it's better to have a good quality sprayer, electrostatic sprayer, so you don't get any shock out of it.
This is an atomizer that I'm going to use today. It's a very simple, sturdy atomizer.
So as you can see that just a simple spraying will do the job for you. At the end of spraying, I will recommend to rinse or clean the atomizer with the help of either the suggested solvent or at least ethanol at the end. With this later, but let me show you how it is coated. So I sprayed it on the surface, as you can see. I'm going to remove the tape. So you can see the uncoated portion. You can see the coated and uncoated portion. Just within like few seconds, you can apply this coating using the atomizer. You can use the electrostatic, or you can even use the conventional air spray gun. I'm going to remove the top layer from this logo so that you can see the logo intact on the surface. Normally we recommend to remove the logo after like 15 minutes of the spray, so that you're not disturbing any coated area, and and it's easy to handle the substrate because right now it's very slippery because coating is still on the surface, and it's a very slippery surface because of the liquid on the surface of the plastic film. But you can remove this plastic film carefully so that you know you're not damaging the metal part of the decal or the logo. One of the variations of the INVESIL that we have applied here has a tracer. So because the film is transparent or the coating is transparent, so sometimes it is difficult to see whether it's on the surface or not. But one of the variations that I applied here has tracer, so you can just turn off the light or just use a UV light to see where the coating is on the surface. You can see the coated area is appearing, you know, like little whiter than the uncoated one. So it helps you in determining where the coating is. So this is very, very uniformly coated using the electrostatic sprayer. See the area which has the logo is not coated, only like surroundings are coated. That's all. If you have any question, visit to our website or download our application to have more information about this coating. Thank you very much.